pushing the water, but I don't want it in there. I want to see if I can pull it over my way. Definitely ain't gonna do that with a bush hog or a weed whacker. Alright, now I'm going to try out the peninsula. This is probably one of the toughest trimming areas, if you will, and you'll see why. It's really, really narrow, and there's a lot of woody browse in there, so even weed whacking, you know, you're breaking strings all the time, and if you got the steel one with the big trimmer, that'll definitely wear on your back. So I'm going to go and I'm not going to do the fine stuff right away. I'm just going to show how it's going to work on the heavier duty stuff. Really tricky in here because the spacing is just so tight. Test it, processing that old dead stump there. I'm sure I could grind it all the way down, just taking little bites at a time. We're going to leave them grow just because it's good for shade on the peninsula, but like this one I'm just trimming it back. That's a locust, just trimming it back off the trail. haircut. Alright, so that's all the video I got on this peninsula. So now we're going to go around to the rear pond dam, the old pond dam that's loaded, and I'm going to clean that one up as well. So let's do that. New fishing spot. So on this back pond dam, which we call the old pond, if you're relatively new to the channel, this pond is 50 or 60 years old. It was here when we bought and built our house. So the inside here on the right, I'm just looking to open up a few fishing spots and get the weeds down. And on the left, the only thing I'm going to clear on the left side is things that are sticking out or overhanging. So it's a little easier for Sharon to mow this. She used to be able to take like 2 swipes, but now she can only take 1 because it's just encroaching on both sides, even though it's a narrow dam. So let's finish out this dam and we'll take an after look when it's done. A lot of these spots we haven't been able to fish now for probably 2 years. So it's going to open up some new opportunity for fishing. Maybe I shouldn't tell Sharon that I cleaned it up just yet. So I get first crack at it. This is where I did one of them pond dam repairs, actually 2 of them. One here and one 20 feet up. Alright, we'll keep rolling. Dead tree I could easily push in the water, but I don't want it in there. I got a lot of trees already. I shut my blade off. I want to see if I can pull it over my way. We'll see what happens. Come on, baby. Still stuck in there. I might have to. know, I got a tree here and 2 trees right there, so I might have to pull up here and then move the boom like so. Yep, got it. Alright, not bad. So this is that spot that it was just about running over the dam. So this winter or spring, I just slopped a bunch of clay fill on here. And could never grade it. So Sharon was not able to drive over it with the riding mower. We should fix that though right now. Trim this here in just a second. There's my grading shovel right here. Alright, I made it all the way around to the opposite side of the pond. Cleaning all this up. Open up some more room. This is a good spot, but you often couldn't really get a good cast over there. But once I finish cleaning it up, that'll open this up. Alright, here's an after look at the pond dam after cleaning it with the excavator. I almost forgot. This was all brushed up here. This stuff here was 3-4 foot tall and super thick.